I have two drinks in these cups. Well, technically they're the same drink, but see, right here I have chocolate milk. In the other cup, I have chocolate milk. Now, by the looks of it, they seem to be the same chocolate milk. But what you don't realize is that one of these cups is Shamrock chocolate milk, and the others is Hershey chocolate syrup added with normal 2% milk. Now, I'm going to taste both of these and describe to you the difference in the sciences. This first is the normal Hershey's milk, or the chocolate milk with the syrup. It's good. It tastes like how you probably imagine chocolate milk would taste. The thing with this, though, is that you can really distinguish the difference between the base milk and the chocolate syrup. You can taste the difference in each of them. With the Shamrock milk, you taste it. And it doesn't have like the same texture as milk. It's more like if you mixed in chocolate with actual milk and then made like a different sort of compound. Look at the consistencies of the both of them. So this one, you see how it moves. Very liquidy. It moves around a lot. With the Shamrock, it doesn't move around as much. You can see the edges of it get on the cup more. If I had to describe it, it's like this chocolate milk is its own separate drink. It's chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. It's like almost like one word. But with the Hershey's, it's chocolate milk. It's like you have the milk and then wait a second, the chocolate syrup in it. But with the Shamrock, it's chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. It's almost like there is no milk. It's like a chocolate drink. But as compared to chocolate and milk. And there you go. Now, to conclude this video, I just randomly thought of an idea. We're going to compare the ingredients of each and break it down by the science, how each is different. This is the carton of Shamrock milk. This is the Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now, first of all, we'll start with chocolate milk. All right. Chocolate syrup. Here it is. You cannot read the letters backwards, so I'll read them to you. Ingredients: high fructose corn syrup, water, cocoa, sugar. Contains 2% or less of potassium sorbate to maintain freshness. Xanthan gum, salt, mono, and, this is a new word today, diglycerides. Polysorbate, 60, vanillin, artificial flavor. Ingredients in milk, well, it's milk. Milk, skim milk, vitamin A, palmate, vitamin D3. There you go. Now, to describe the ingredients of the carton. Obviously, you also cannot read this backwards, so I'll read it to you. Ingredients: milk, sugar, non-fat milk, cocoa, processed with alkali, alkali. There we go. There's an L in there. Contains less than 1% of cornstarch, salt. Ooh, another new word today. Carrageenan. I don't know what that is, but that's one ingredient that these two don't. Natural vanilla, vitamin D3, contains milk. So the difference is, I'll read them right now. So, obviously I said that the chocolate syrup does not contain carrageenan, but it also does not say sugar in the ingredients. Now, obviously there is sugar. There's 10 grams of it. But there's more sugar in here because you add the total sugars per serving size. You have 10 total sugars combined with 12 total sugars, 22 total sugars. One serving of Shamrock Farms chocolate milk, by the way, they're both 240 milliliters, contains 27 grams of total sugars. So you get 5 more grams of sugar in this, which could make a difference in the consistency. Who knows? But in terms of other ingredients, calories, per serving, there's more calories in the Shamrock. So it might be more filling, but not as healthy to drink. Total fats. Let's see. Total fats. I'm sure there's no fat in chocolate syrup. So in the normal milk, there's 5 grams. In this, there's 9 grams. So you got more fat in the Shamrock too. Cholesterol. Cholesterol. You got 20 milligrams, and you got 25 milligrams in the Shamrock. Sodium. You got 105 milligrams. 110 milligrams to 200 milligrams. Total carbohydrates. There's 12 grams of carbohydrates in both the normal milk and the chocolate syrup, which combined make a 24-gram carbohydrate total. In the Shamrock, there is a 28-gram carbohydrate total. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are not included on the nutrition facts of the normal milk, so it is impossible to calculate at this current moment. However, the protein is where this makes the most difference, probably. Actually, I'm lying. Protein in one serving of normal milk is 8 grams. Chocolate syrup has no protein. Per serving of chocolate milk, Shamrock, there we go. That's 9 grams. 9 grams to 8 grams. And finally, we have our vitamin totals. Vitamin D, this is for normal milk. Vitamin D, 10%. Calcium, 25%. Vitamin A, 15%. Now, there's 0% iron in the normal milk, but there's 4% iron in the chocolate syrup. There's more of each thing in the Shamrock chocolate milk. You have 15% vitamin D, 25% calcium, 6% iron, 8% potassium, and there's an equal amount of vitamin A. So that also was a lie because they have the same amount of vitamin A. All right. In retrospect, you have 2 different kinds of milk. One might be healthier for you, but one gives you more calories and more protein, and it tastes better. If I had to rate each of these drinks, going back to my chocolate milk collection over here, I'd give Shamrock a 10 out of 10. It's the most perfect chocolate milk you could ever drink. Normal chocolate milk with Hershey syrup, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's addicting, but I wouldn't drink it if I had a choice.